In this video we'll have a brief look on biomolecules. Biomolecules are the molecules present in organisms that are essential for biological processes. Types of biomolecules. Firstly, the energy-providing carbohydrates, such as sugars, starches, and cellulose. Nextly, the lipids, fats and oils, bodybuilding proteins, the macromolecules made up of amino acids. Finally, the nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Let us have a clearer look on carbohydrates. They are found in vegetable, grains, and fruits, and are one of the basic food groups important for a healthy diet. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates not only function as energy givers, they are also a source of B vitamins and carbohydrate metabolism. They help in controlling the body temperature, proper functioning of the different body parts, secretion of digestive juices, absorption of calcium and phosphorus in younger animals, peristalsis, maintaining glucose level. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified as simple sugars and complex sugars. Simple sugars are further classified into monosaccharides and disaccharides. Glucose, fructose, and galactose are one-sugar molecules. Sugars like maltose, sucrose, and lactose are included under disaccharides. Polysaccharides contain starch, cellulose, and fibers. We'll then discuss about lipids. Lipids are esters of long-chain fatty acid and alcohols. They serve as a fuel molecules, signal molecules, and components of membranes, hormones, and intracellular messengers. Lipids are broadly classified as simple, compound, and derived, which are further classified as follows. The main function of lipids includes storing energy, signaling, and acting as structural components of cell membrane. Some other functions are precursors of hormone. It helps in digestion. It provides store of energy. It also serve as a metabolic fuel. They act as a part of cell membrane. Next comes the important biomolecule, proteins. Proteins are commonly known as building blocks of the living organisms. They are macromolecules, polymers of structural units called amino acids. Classification of proteins. Proteins performs a diverse range of functions for the cell. They help in metabolism by providing structural support and by acting as enzymes, carriers or hormones. Providing structural support, catalyzing chemical reactions, synthesizing and repairing DNA, transporting materials across the cell, receiving and sending chemical signals. Let us discuss some interesting facts of amino acids. Amino acids are the monomers that make up proteins. Each amino acid has the same fundamental structure, which consists of a carbon atom bonded to an amino group, carboxyl group, and to a hydrogen atom. Types of amino acid. There are two types of amino acids: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. The following is a table of essential and non-essential amino acids. Functions of the amino acids. Amino acids are needed for vital processes like building of proteins and synthesis of hormones and neurotransmitters. Some other functions are they act as biological buffers. They serve as a storage of nitrogen. They are essential for the formation of glucose. Amino acids and its derivation helps in nerve transmission, cell growth, biosynthesis of porphyrins, purines, and urea. Finally, let us see about nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are the biopolymers, and essential to all known forms of life. The term nucleic acid is the overall name for DNA and RNA. They are composed of nucleotides, made of 3 components. They are 5-carbon sugar, phosphate group, and nitrogenous base. The two main classes of nucleic acids are DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid which is double-stranded. RNA, ribonucleic acid which is single-stranded. The functions of nucleic acids. The main function of nucleic acid is storage and expression of genetic information. DNA, it encodes the information the cell needs to make proteins. RNA, it helps in protein synthesis.